This is a volume that presents a spina bifida. It's not of the major importance to visualize the superficies of the defect, but in fact it is much more important to evaluate the level of the problem. So here I will use static volume contrast imaging first to enhance the quality in the B and C reference images. So see the difference after I select volume contrast imaging. The B and C are really better. Then I will move to the reference image B and I'll bring the pivot point to the vertebral body that is presented. This demonstrates automatically in A-plane the line of the vertebral bodies. You see that the arches are seen until here, but they are not followed lower. Then I will rotate the site of the defect and I will try to use some tomographic imaging in order to estimate the level. So let's start with the rotation first. I need to select the reference image A and bring it horizontally by Z rotation, like this. Then I will select the reference image C because here we can see the coronal plane. So the last pair of ribs would be clearer. And I will select the reference image C. Here we have the access to tomographic imaging, and let's magnify it. And in the upper slices, you clearly see in the spina bifida. Here you start seeing the ribs, but we need to be precise about the last pair of the ribs. So I will decrease the distance between the slices first. And in this slice, which is described with the figure -1, you can see the last pair of the ribs. So this is here. And the defect starts just below it because you can see this dilatation and opening of the arches here. So from the level L1 down, you can define that in this case we have a spina bifida. This is very important for the pediatric counselor to provide him with this information.